बड़ा हो गया। क्या ये क्या है? नारियल का है ना? ये नारियल क्या है? ये क्या है? बनाना, भिंडी, jackfruit, sunflower. This farm, which has been created or initiative of Village Panchayat of Pilern. Village Panchayat Pilern, which is been called as a green farmland. It's a very good initiative. I especially thank the Village Panchayat of Pilern, Sarpanch Ajay Govekar, and the person who brought us and who guided us, Navnath sir. Okay, and especially we thank our Kishan Shikshan Sanstha, Pragati High School Pilern we are from, for giving us an opportunity to bring our students to this place. It is a bagless day which has been created under NEP, education policy. So it is a real hand experience to the people, especially the students of a particular school. So we thank our chairman also, Prakash Kalangudkar, our headmistress, Mrs. Sunita Parab, and my colleagues also. Our Manoj sir is there, Kavita teacher is there, Pundlik bhai is there, Rohit is there. So all we staff, we have come specially to give us real hand experience to our students. I literally thank Anant Expedition Goa, which gave us a nice opportunity to catch up all this, you can say the bite of this place. And it was a very real experience, I can tell you, because students are experiencing the new media and the nature, which is very much important for today's generation. Thank you, sir.